Grab a piece of scrap wood and let's turn that unused space behind the toilet into something both functional and stylish. Take your scrap wood and give it a quick sanding before applying your favorite stain to give it that polished look. Find a plastic shelving unit that fits snugly beside your toilet. This will act as your base. It's a simple setup that instantly creates a platform for decor, baskets, or extra toiletries. Start with a few candle holders from the dollar store, then grab some old glass jars. We're giving them a makeover with a fresh coat of spray paint in a pretty blue. Once they're dry, use glue to attach all the pieces together. Now you've got elevated storage that looks custom but costs next to nothing. It's a great way to add some charm and organization without taking up much space. Start by painting the canvases white. We're covering up the artwork completely, so don't worry about what's underneath. Take 2 of the canvases and stack them horizontally to form the base and top of your shelf. Add rattan sheets or woven details inside for texture. You can also glue on different paper, twine, and silver handles. It's modern, minimal, and totally customizable.